Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make different colors eyeshadow. As you all know, it's a practice board and it's very difficult to handle and to apply eyeshadow on it. I won't say subscribe my channel. If you really like my video, then your one like means a lot to me and it will be very helpful and very encouraging. And many of you are asking about this palette, and this palette is from Via Letra. Products that are used in this video are already mentioned in my previous videos. It's very easy to blend eyeshadow on human eye and it's very difficult to apply eyeshadow on dummy. Mostly I apply eyeshadow with my finger. It's a very easy way to apply eyeliner and wing eyeliner. Now blend all the sharp lines with a fluffy brush. In this way you can create a blended eyeshadow look. Now add some glitters to make it very elegant. Stay connected till the end of the video. Here I have mixed two eyeshadows, blue and green. I already applied glue on eye. Hope you like the video. Click the bell icon for all my new videos. Thanks for watching and take care.